A grizzly bear carefully slid back down the steep mountainside, risking another dangerous descent. Moments earlier, it had lost its grip, dropping the chamois cub it had just hunted. But giving up was never an option. With powerful claws digging into the loose earth and rocks, the massive predator reclaimed its hard-earned meal. In these unforgiving mountains, every hunt comes at a cost. One mistake can mean injury, starvation, or death. For the grizzly, survival isn't just about strength. It's about determination, persistence, and never letting an opportunity slip away.